In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell multiple items on Steam. If you've built up a backlog of drops, trading cards, or game-specific items and want to turn them into wallet funds, this walkthrough will show you a clean, repeatable process that keeps things organized and efficient. Start by opening Steam and heading to your inventory. You'll find it by clicking your profile and choosing Inventory. This page holds everything tied to your account across games and the Steam community. Not every item is marketable, so the first thing to do is narrow what you see. Use the filters to quickly surface only items that can be sold. You can also filter by type, like trading cards or items from a specific game. This saves a ton of time and keeps you focused on the things you can actually list right now. Next, select the items you plan to sell. On Windows, hold Ctrl and click each item. On Mac, use CMD and click. This doesn't bulk list them, but it does help you visually group and track what you intend to sell in this session. Think of it as staging your lineup. Now, an important note, Steam doesn't support one-click bulk selling. You'll list items one by one. That's normal. Click into the first item you want to sell and press the sell button. You'll repeat this action for each item, but having your selections ready makes the flow much faster. When you're setting the price, use the market information Steam shows right on the listing dialog. You'll see current listings from other users and recent sale prices, which give you a live snapshot of demand. If you want your item to move quickly, price it competitively with what's selling now, not just the highest listing. Pay attention to the fields that show what the buyer pays versus what you receive after fees, and decide whether a slight undercut helps you stand out. For rare or seasonal items, a quick glance at recent trends can help you avoid pricing too low. After entering your price, confirm and list the item on the Steam Community Market. Follow the prompts on screen to complete the listing. Once it's confirmed, your item becomes visible to potential buyers and will be purchased automatically when someone accepts your price. Repeat that same flow for each item in your stage selection until everything you plan to sell is listed. That's the full process. Thanks for watching.